Apple's about to do something we haven't seen in a while, release a budget iPhone that's not just affordable, but actually powerful. The iPhone 17e is coming, and based on everything we've learned so far, it might be the best value in Apple's 2025 lineup. In this video, I'm breaking down the biggest leaks, the specs, the design changes, and why this might just be the budget beast Apple fans have been waiting for. Backhand index pointing right, make sure to hit that like button if you're excited for iPhone 17, and let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is the iPhone 17e? According to reliable sources, including Watt Mobile and analysts tracking Apple's supply chain, the 17e is going to be the entry-level model in the iPhone 17 family. Think of it as the successor to the iPhone 14 or 13, but with some serious upgrades. Expected price, around $699, same design DNA as the base iPhone 17, but with toned-down specs. Target audience, people who want an iPhone experience without the $1,000 price tag. But don't let that entry-level label fool you, because this thing is hiding some serious firepower. Let's talk specs. While Apple hasn't confirmed anything officially, trusted leaksters say the iPhone 17e will likely include a 17 or A18 chip, most likely a 17 Pro from last year's Pro model's 6.1-inch OLED display, possibly 60 Hz, but high-quality 6GB RAM, same as iPhone 15, enough for daily use. Dual camera setup, wide plus ultra-wide, improved AI processing, improved battery life, thanks to more efficient chip. Plus iOS 19. This isn't your typical cut-down iPhone. The A17 chip is still faster than most Android flagships, and the camera system, while dual, will benefit from software upgrades we've seen with Smart HDR and Deep Fusion. Now, let's talk about how this thing will look and feel in your hand. The iPhone 17e is expected to retain Apple's premium aluminum and glass design, but it'll skip the titanium frame of the Pro models. Rounded edges, thinner bezels, new color options, likely light blue, silver, and product red smaller. Dynamic Island, yes, even the 17e is rumored to include it. USB-C port, just like iPhone 15. It'll look nearly identical to the iPhone 17, which is honestly a smart move by Apple. You're not sacrificing on design, just a few premium internals. Let's not forget the camera, a huge reason why people upgrade their iPhones. The iPhone 17e is expected to have a dual lens setup, likely a wide and ultra-wide combo. 48MP main sensor, same as iPhone 15, improved night mode and portrait ANO telephoto, no LiDAR, reserved for Pro models. But here's the kicker, Apple's AI enhancements in iOS 19 could make the 17e's camera smarter than you expect. Better low light, faster shutter speed, and optimized video stabilization for creators on a budget. Battery life is expected to be solid, thanks to the efficient A17 chip and possibly a 3,300 mAh battery. Other rumored features, Face ID, no under-display fingerprint yet, Wi-Fi 6 USB-C charging, finally. iOS 19 out-of-the-box satellite connectivity support for emergencies. In short, you're getting pro-level battery efficiency, next-gen software, and most of the features that actually matter to the average user. So, should you care about the iPhone 17e? If you're someone who wants the latest design, a fast chip, great cameras, and you don't care about having triple lenses or promotion displays, then yes, the 17e is an absolute beast in the making.
Yeah.
At $699, it could become Apple's best-selling model, and honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it outperformed the base iPhone 17 in terms of value. Direct hit, I'll be covering the full iPhone 17 series, including the Pro and Pro Max, right here, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.
Bye-bye.
This is Demented Tech Review, and I'll see you in the next deep dive.